Welcome. What a beautiful day. What could be nicer than enjoying the sun through your skylight of your workshop and being productive? You've just seen me building a new rack and putting hammers on it. But that will not be today's topic. Today I'll show you how I tidy up my bed clamps. Let's switch to the table. These are my Stanley bed clamps. I bought them a few years ago. And that's the end result of this video. A self-made spool to hold the belt. It is very easy to build and we need just 3 things for it. We'll need some rubber bands, we'll need some paper clips, and we'll need some small pieces of pipe. I used to have these copper pipes laying around for some cooling applications I did years ago. But you can use whatever you want. You can use some aluminum rods, you can use copper as I've shown you. You can even bore out dowels. Whatever your workshop has laying around. You don't need to buy anything if you don't like to. And even if so, it'll cost probably around a dime. Ta-da! As you can see, I didn't bother showing you how to deburr your pipe or winding the band around it. I considered it kinda boring. Now we just need to feed the rubber band through the pipe. And for the last step, you fix the rubber band with a paper clip. Make sure everything holds up and sits tidy. And that's it. We're done.